हेलो गुड इवनिंग एवरीबॉडी वेलकम टू माय चैनल द इनविजिबल ट्रेडर। वीडियोस अगर आपको अच्छे लगते हैं तो लाइक कमेंट शेयर कीजिए और बाकी लोगों को हमारे साथ जोड़िए। ये हम वीडियो बना रहे हैं दिस वीक की, विच इज आइडियली द वीक फ्रॉम 15 to 19, ओके। एंड यू माइट हैव ऑलरेडी सीन पीपल जहाँ पे लोग आपको लॉट ऑफ यूट्यूबर्स कपल ऑफ मैंने देखा कल रात को ऐसे ही सोते सोते, दे आर ऑल बुलिश, very big bullish on the market. I'm not saying that I'm bullish on the market क्योंकि पिछले वीक अगर आप देखोगे I told that market will consolidate, and if you look at this is a beautiful consolidation for almost 7 days, right? 1 2 3 4 5 6, almost 6 days of consolidation, right? Now when index especially Nifty or Bank Nifty, when they do more than 9 days of consolidation, guys, then there are very high chances of market going up, no doubt in that. And according to some of the Astro and numbers also, if you see 9 days is a very important number, and especially if market has to make a trend change, it has to do within 9 days, or else then you need to go into multiplication of numbers. We'll not go there and discuss because that's a little bit of complex. So हमारा जो व्यू है ऐसे मोटा मोटा, I will give you my ultimate view. Like last week I said it will be range bound. My ultimate view is actually market should be in a little bit of, I'm not saying that market will go down heavily, okay, but market should do a little bit of correction before making a bull run, okay. That doesn't mean that we are going to be ultra bearish in market, and we have levels after which actually we need to be ultra bullish, and the levels are basically these fat black levels that you are seeing here, right? So my personal view is Bank Nifty should actually do a जैसे ये ट्रेंड बना था आपको दिख रहा था, जो दो इट इज अ कंसोलिडेशन. इफ यू सी द क्लोजिंग्स आर 1 2 3 4 5, it was a little bit closing downside every day almost, at least the highs are on the downside. And after this move, which has negated all these moves, I'm still expecting a similar kind of move. This time, not in a consolidation one, a little bit bigger. Okay. What is the level? I'll tell you at least what I'm expecting in this weekly range. I'll tell you my reason why I'm saying that. First of all, we have some Astro numbers anyway and dates. On top of that, if you put just the simple moving average of Bank Nifty, especially Bank Nifty, Nifty will come later. Bank Nifty, you see a 20, 50 and 200 SMAs here. So forget about the 50 and 200, guys. Even the 20 simple moving average period on a daily time frame is actually way far away from the current market price. Okay. And market staying very far away from the 20 simple moving average is very rare. So that is one of the reason I think that market, either the SMA will go up. In that case, market has to move very violent moves like this. I don't think कि इतने बड़े movement आएंगे market में. So my view is ultimately कि this SMA will go up and the price has to come down. Okay. That is one of the reason. Second reason is, there are many reasons actually. I'm just giving you two reasons for why I'm a little bit bearish. The second reason is, if you look at the current move, with such a big move, when the correction is happening according to our pivot levels, even if the bull run has to continue, it has to correct minimum 23%. 25% to आता ही है. Okay. 25% आना ही है, which is our level is this 34,976. If you take 25, a little bit below that, which is actually 34,900. That means I'm talking about 1,000, 1,100, 1,200 points correction on the downside, right? 1,200 point correction on the downside. When that will happen, we will discuss. Okay. So that means my weekly range On the downside next week, on the downside would be this level 36,300 or a little bit below 36, yeah, 36,300 to 34,900. That means we are having around 1400 point का range for this week. मेरे हिसाब से बैंक निफ्टी को अगर ऊपर जाना भी होगा ना, ये यहां तक करेक्ट करे या फिवो का 23.6% की लेवल तक आए 960 तो का एटलीस्ट, एंड बेसिकली टेक ए मूव बैक ऑन द अपसाइड अगर जाना होगा, क्योंकि दिस मच ऑफ करेक्शन तो इट इज रिक्वायर्ड अनलेस मार्केट इज इन ए वेरी 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 बुलिश मोड व्हिच डजंट लुक लाइक, क्योंकि यहाँ पे जो कंसोलिडेशन हुई है इट डजंट लुक लाइक द मार्केट इज इन ए वेरी 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 अल्ट्रा बुलिश मोड. ओके, so that is second reason why I am saying that market should be in a little bit bearish mode this week. Okay, we will go and do a daily analysis anyway for Monday trade, right? But remember these targets, okay? And this is the downside target I have given. Now let's say market goes up and crosses this level, ये जो fat level है 36,584. If it crosses this level, then इसके लिए तो मैंने already बोला है 2 hourly candle closing above this, our target would be 38,000. Okay, that means upper side में this level, down side में this fat level. You are seeing this level which is 35,640 के आसपास. If market closes below Monday, below this or above this, we will change our views accordingly because this is in a box trading. Okay, whatever the side the box is broken, we are going to take the trade. और लेवल मैंने डाउन साइड में ऑलरेडी दे दिया है. Do not expect a crash, and I don't think bank nifty can go below 34,900 or 800 below that this week, unless there is some panic selling news and all those which cannot control. According to technical analysis, I don't think bank nifty should go below this. Okay, now nifty का हम लोग कर लेते हैं, then I will tell you when to start your positional trades actually. So if you look at Nifty also, Nifty is still closer. If you look at the 20 SMA, it is still closer on a daily time frame. Okay, but compared to Bank Nifty, it is at a better position. But if you look at the gap, the price is at a very, very high range, right? And if you see, either the price has to follow this or the SMA has to follow this or the price has to come down. You have seen it. I mean, this is a very simple technical analysis everybody knows, right? Okay. So that is why I'm saying कि निफ्टी को एक बार ये ब्रेकआउट रीटेस्ट तो कर देना चाहिए 14,700. ये लेवल हमारा पहले भी है. दिस इज एन वेरी 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 इंपॉर्टेंट लेवल 14,700. तो निफ्टी में भी इफ यू लुक एट, I am not looking at Nifty to go down below 14,700 next week. We are at around 150. So I'm talking about 450 points in a week. Okay, that is possible. If Nifty moves 100 points also every day, that is like 500 points downside, right? But I'm not saying that you need to just initiate the positional set and go up to 14,700. See, 14,700 is an ultimate level if it is coming down, but when it will come only when it goes below 14,925. This black level, this is the fat level that I have put here. Keep this level for your weekly analysis. Okay, क्योंकि what मुझे जो लग रहा है निफ्टी अगर नीचे आया भी ना 40, there are high chances that it may not come 14,700. It might reverse back from 14,900. That we will look at on a daily basis, on an intraday basis. Okay, अगर 14,700 तक आ जाता था तो you may go for a blind buying anyway. Okay, but this would be like a dream trade to get into. Okay, so we will decide that when we are going into this trade, rather than making a sell, I will actually go for a buying from 14,700 positional. I'm talking about if it comes. Okay, देखो निफ्टी का भी अगर आप देखो ना 23% अगर मैं फिबो का लूं, लेट्स सी कहां तक आता है. सी सो ऑलमोस्ट ये थोड़ा और ऊपर जाएगा, बट या 14,852 दिख रहा है आपको, एंड माय लेवल इज एट 14,920 और 60-70 पॉइंट का फर्क है. तो अगर निफ्टी को बुल रन कंटिन्यू भी करना है, निफ्टी हैज टू टच 14,900 एंड देन गो अप. ठीक है, दैट इज व्हाई माय व्यू इज नेक्स्ट वीक वी विल बी ए लिटिल बिट बियरिश एटलीस्ट अप टू दिस लेवल. ओके, इसके नीचे अगर गया तो हम 200 पॉइंट का पोजिशनल सेल लेंगे और फिर कट करेंगे 14,700. दैट्स व्हाई दिस इज द फैट लेवल. ओके, नाउ ऑन द अपर साइड, क्या अपर साइड तो मैं थोड़ा इतना फेवर में अभी नहीं हूँ, नेक्स्ट वीक एटलीस्ट. ओके, ज्यादा से ज्यादा मार्केट क्या करेगा, अगर बियरिश नहीं भी हुआ ना, इट माइट जस्ट कंसोलिडेट फॉर अनदर 3-4 डेज. दैट इज द वर्स्ट केस पॉसिबल. अगर कोई न्यूज आ गया और अर्निंग कुछ है, देखना पड़ेगा कुछ है, तो अगर स्टॉक्स ने कुछ सपोर्ट किया, हम स्टॉक्स एनालिसिस में भी जाएंगे, तो निफ्टी माइट गो अप. But in that case, this is again the level that you need to look at. That means 15,250 के ऊपर, if it is not closing on an hourly basis, we will go in a sell on rise mode. Okay, so we'll have a level here जो मैंने यहाँ पे डाला नहीं था पहले. It is around 257, I think. Yeah, so let's keep it like that. So 257 का level you can take. 15,257 के ऊपर ही we will go ultra bullish or not on hourly closing base. Okay, now downside का याद रख गया आपको ट्रेड कैसे करना है. 14,900, 852 is going to be a very very crucial level that we need to look at. But my view is next week market should touch this at least. Okay, similarly bank nifty में जो level मैंने दिया था, which was around how much, 34,000 something, right? I forgot that. I need to remember. FIBO हटा दिया मैंने. Yeah, sorry, 34,900. Yes, 34,900 was the level. Now, देखो बैंक निफ्टी में जैसे बोला 14,700 and the fat level was 900 के आसपास. बैंक निफ्टी में the fat level is this. Okay, a lot of people will tell you in YouTube that if it is only closes below this because these are the lows, right, then only you go for a positional sell big. I'm telling you this level, not these levels. I'm telling you this level, 35,650, or you take 35,600. 35,600 के नीचे अगर मार्केट गया तो we will go for a 800 to 900 point sell easily. Okay, we will get a 800 to 900 point sell easily, this one, and then market will take a support from here and go up. Okay, so this important level, and in Nifty 14,900 is a do or die level for us next week. So keep referring to this level. Upper side मैंने already बोला है. निफ्टी का टारगेट नहीं दिया. निफ्टी का टारगेट would be 15,600. Okay, 550 to 600 के आसपास. If bank nifty closes above 15,250 on a daily closing basis or at least 2 hourly candle basis. Okay, now let us look at for a Monday's trading, how we are going to do Monday's trading. See, according to the market structure, my preference for Monday would be let market do a heavy gap up, very very heavy gap up. Okay, and I have a sale from here which is yesterday का जो Friday का जहां से सेल हुआ था सेम लेवल पे 36,312, ये लेवल मैंने अभी दिया था आपको. तो 36,312 से we will sell again. Okay, in case it goes up we will sell from R1 itself, 36,393. Monday I will be on a sell on rise, and everybody knows the reason why Monday I generally go for a sell, and my personal choice would be कि मार्केट थोड़ा ऊपर गैप अप ओपन करे तो सेल के लिए इजी हो. देखो ये जो स्ट्रक्चर मार्केट का बना है ना, प्रीवियस डे एंड प्रीवियस टू प्रीवियस डे, कंसीडरिंग दैट स्ट्रक्चर, मार्केट अगर ऊपर ओपन होगा, there are very very high probability market will come down to pivot. This will be the magnet level tomorrow, at least bank nifty I'm not guaranteeing, but bank nifty 36,000 it should touch. So that is why I'm saying if it is going up, whenever you see a negative price action forming in, go for a sell, at least for a 300 point sell. Yes, market can come here and go up again, but this sell we should get, this 300 point sell we should get ideally. Okay, and I'm not telling that market will definitely give a sell from here, but what I'm saying, if market reaches here, there are very very high chances that you will get a sell. Okay, It might also possible that market give you a sell from 200 rather than 300. It might be possible because the structure is towards the downside. Okay, so that just we need to look at. Agar, for example, let's say market is opening around 250 and giving you a sell, the market is coming down, cut your profit here, because there are high chances that market will give you a buy from 36,000 tomorrow itself. 36,000 tomorrow itself. It is on the gap up scenario. Okay, I'm not expecting market to go above 36,360 tomorrow. Okay, upside should be capped. Upside should be capped. And on the downside, second scenario, if market gaps down, which looks rare to me, but by chance, if market gaps down, then the level that we are going to get a buy is 35,850. 35,850 से एक buying आपको मिलेगी, and the way market will behave is market will go like this. Take a resistance at pivot. Tomorrow, as I said, Bank Nifty, this is going to be a magnetic level. So 36,000 it touches, and then you go for a sell again. So market gap down में market might consolidate tomorrow between 36,000 to 35,750. Okay, this is a 100-point range, but this is the range in which market can consolidate tomorrow, even on a Monday. Okay, if it is a gap up scenario, I am expecting a red closing tomorrow on Monday. Even if you give a buy here, it will give you a buy here, and then this is capped anyway. Okay, that means if it is opening here, I would still expect a red closing on this side. Okay, so that would be my view for Monday. Now the scenario that which we do not miss, if market gaps up very, very heavily, that means above 36,400, which is 300-point gap up, then we will not sell. Then we will take market up to 36,000. ये जो black level, fat वाला जो black level है 571 तक. Okay, only if market gaps up 300-point plus straight and doesn't come down in first 5 minutes. Red candle अगर first 5 minutes में इसके नीचे नहीं आता है, then we will go for a 200-point buying, at least 150-point buying tomorrow. Then we will see a sell here, later stage. Okay, the scenario very, very rare to happen, but I'm saying if this happens, do not ignore that scenario. I'm not expecting a heavy gap down tomorrow, so let us not discuss that scenario. Nifty also same scenario would be same, but Nifty according to the structure looks like would give us a unidirectional move tomorrow, and hence if you अगर हम दोनों इंडेक्स की व्यू को मिला दे, जबकि हम बोल रहे हैं बैंक निफ्टी में you have a downward structure if market is gapping up, and Nifty is telling me it will give a directional move in one side. So मेरा जो व्यू बन जाता है, क्योंकि because of this market will anyway will gap up, मेरा जो एक पर्सनल व्यू जो मैंने स्टार्टिंग में बोला था बन जाता है, it gaps up and then goes into a negative direction the entire day, at least for Nifty. Okay, the level that you need to look at where not to sell Nifty if Nifty gaps up above 243. That means 90-point gap up. Looks very rare, but if just does a 90-point gap up and doesn't come down in first 10-15 minutes, then we are not going to sell. We might see an ultra bull run in that case on Monday also. Very rare, but do not ignore that scenario. Okay, तो gap up scenario मैंने बोल दिया. जैसे बैंक निफ्टी में मैंने बोला बैंक निफ्टी can give you a buy here. Nifty will not give you a buy here tomorrow. Okay, if it is falling, it might give a very small buy, then again it will fall. So our target would be ideally 15,100. 15,100 हमारा target होना चाहिए, ठीक है? Though the support is here, our target should be 15,100. Now by chance, in a case of gap down or a negative scenario, Nifty comes down tomorrow below this. I'm not expecting Nifty to go below 15,100. So we'll go for a buy around 15,100 here. This one. This is how much? 15,081, 15,000. This is just 20-point range. Okay, 20-point range. So 15,100 से आप buy कर सकते हो. I'm not expecting Nifty to go down below today's low, unless जो ऊपर साइड मैंने सिनेरियो बताया था, it does a heavy gap down in the morning. If it does a heavy gap down in the morning, then we might see a panic selling up to 15,000. बट दिस सिनारियो लुक्स रेयर, बट अगर हो जाता है तो आपको बेसिकली वो सिनारियो मिस नहीं करना है। ओके, स्टॉक्स एक बार देख लेते हैं। पहले हम डेली व्यू में देखते हैं, देन अपना इंडिकेटर लगाएंगे। पहले इंडेक्स देखते हैं कि निफ्टी की जो हमारी व्यू है कि मार्केट विल गो डाउन नेक्स्ट वीक। लेट्स लुक एट डेली। सी, दिस इज अ ब्यूटीफुल कैंडल, इट्स अ ब्यूटीफुल कैंडल, वेरी वेरी बिग विक। IT looks weak to me. TCS इन्फी देखते हैं, या वंडरफुल, TCS is weak. इन्फी is reasonably weak to consolidation, ठीक है। तो for IT looks weak to me, okay, तो TCS has confirmed it. Pharma देखो bullish and bearish engulfing, pharma also weak. Auto is a little bit confusing, actually वो positive side जा रहा है, unless it gaps down it might just consolidate. FMCG also bullish engulfing, okay, so at least ऊपर तो बड़ा नहीं जाएगा, ठीक है। So metal also, तो weak है, all related sector to Nifty are weak. तो निफ्टी में भी हमें कोई बड़ा मूव नहीं आना चाहिए आइडियली। ओके, नाउ लेट्स लुक एट बैंक निफ्टी स्टॉक्स। HDFC बैंक सेल ऑन राइज है, इट शुड नॉट गैप अप हेविली। वो गैप अप कर दिया तो नहीं गिरेगा, दैट इज द ओनली प्रॉब्लम। कोटक बैंक वीक। ICICI बैंक इज द ओनली बैंक विच इज इन अल्ट्रा बुल मोड। ओके, ये नहीं गिरेगा, गिरेगा भी तो यहाँ पे सपोर्ट लेगा ना। ICICI बैंक एक ही बैंक है जिसको हमें डरना चाहिए। एक्सिस बैंक भी ज्यादा नहीं उड़ेगा, कंसोलिडेट कर जाएगा एक्चुअली। SBI इज बाय ऑन डिप्स, बड़ा मूव नहीं देगा, मतलब लिमिट है यहाँ तक 398 399 तक ही जाएगा, बट SBI इज बाय ऑन डिप्स। ओके, टुमारो मतलब 390 आया यहाँ तक तो बाय करो। इंडसइंड बैंक ये वीक नहीं होता तो हम इसको वीक मान सकते हैं, but let's say consider it as weak only. IndusInd Bank at least ये सरप्राइज ना दे दे। I'm just the only thing I'm worried about, जहाँ पे मेरा व्यू गलत जा सकता है, that is probably IndusInd Bank, because ये तीन कैंडल अगर आप देखोगे ना, एक formation of the candles is not telling, though the current candle is weak, but these three candle formation is saying that it is not weak, so that's where the confusion is. So IndusInd Bank, I am confused, it might go up, might come down, not sure. Okay, बाकी व्यूज सही जाने चाहिए। SDFC would be also buy on dips at this level if it comes down 2760. ओके, तो बड़ा नहीं गिरेगा, ऊपर जाने के चांसेस ज्यादा है, तो SDFC को हम मॉनिटर करेंगे अगर हम सेल में हैं। रिलायंस वुड बी सेल ऑन राइज एनीवे, रिलायंस वुड बी सेल ऑन राइज, दैट्स नॉट ए प्रॉब्लम। देखो 5 मिनट्स टाइम फ्रेम में एक बार कंफर्म कर लेते हैं इफ आई एम करेक्ट और नॉट। लेट्स सी, या सी रिलायंस टेलिंग अस सेल ऑन राइज, घबराने की जरूरत नहीं है। HDFC 2760 का लेवल दिया था ना मैंने, 2745 तक है, 2745 आया तो बाय कर सकते हैं। ये अगर आपने इसके ऊपर गैप अप ओपन कर दिया ना 2805 के ऊपर, देन इट विल बी बुलिश। सो इन दैट दिस इज द ओनली स्टॉक दैट यू नीड टू मॉनिटर गाइस इन निफ्टी। अगर आप सेल कर रहे हो और HDFC ऊपर 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 चलता जा रहा है, मुझे थोड़ा कम लग रहा है, बट बाई चांस अगर चला गया, अदरवाइज रेस्ट सेक्टर्स तो मेरे को बियरिश ही लग रहे हैं। रिलायंस भी बियरिश है, हमने देख लिया, मतलब सेल ऑन राइज है। इंडसइंड बैंक कंफ्यूजिंग है, देखा ना, बोल रहा था ना कंफ्यूजिंग है, बट बाई चांस यहाँ पे हाँ ठीक है, सेल ऑन राइज है, हाँ तो ज्यादा ऊपर नहीं जाएगा, ठीक है, नथिंग टू वरी, ज्यादा ऊपर नहीं जाएगा। जो मैं बोला था कंफ्यूज है, कंफ्यूजन नहीं है, ज्यादा ऊपर नहीं जाएगा, 30 पॉइंट ज्यादा से ज्यादा। SBI 390 पे, या देखो 390 पे बाय है, 390 पे आया तो बाय है। एक्सिस बैंक कंसोलिडेशन करेगा। ICICI मैं सेल तो नहीं करूंगा, आइडियली सेल नहीं करूंगा अनलेस FI खुद सेल कर दे। कोटक बैंक ऑल्सो अपसाइड इज लिमिटेड, HDFC अपसाइड इज लिमिटेड, HDFC बैंक अनलेस इट डज हेवी गैप अप। ओके, अनलेस इट डज हेवी गैप अप, लिमिट है, ठीक है। कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. Upside is capped. Okay. Upside is capped anyway, so we don't need to bother. So this entire week, guys, we will go for a sell on rise mode, unless up to this level we will go sell on rise mode. Okay, sell on rise mode. 36,573 and Nifty crosses 15,257. जब तक नहीं क्रॉस करता, this week we will go on a sell on rise mode. बाकी देखते हैं. I think I don't know कुछ मिस किया या नहीं किया है. But this is what I have for today on a weekly and Monday trading basis. And I'm hoping a Monday to be a red candle, red closing if it gaps up. Okay, gap up के सिनारियो में ही, ठीक है. So that's it guys for today. बाकी लाइव में मिलते हैं. जय माता दी. Good night.